We at McDonald Hogan Bayless were founded in 1952 and began a tradition of providing high-quality, affordable legal services to meet our clients' needs. Today, we continue to advance the principles of justice, freedom, and equality in fighting for concrete solutions for each and every one of our clients.
One of the problems we see that employers face is that they might hire an immigration lawyer who's one lawyer in a large firm, and they really don't understand immigration law. Just the immigration process is very complicated. There are a lot of rules and regulations and hoops that you have to jump through. What matters to clients is they want to have immigration lawyers who work efficiently and who know what they're doing.
We've been doing immigration law at MHB for 30 years. And unlike a lot of firms that might dabble in immigration, we have the largest immigration practice in the Northwest. From your multinational company to your local startup, we can handle a high volume of cases and very complex cases that might arise from our corporate clients. The personal injury practice group here at MHB prides itself on three principles, regardless of the type of catastrophic injury that comes to us. We have unmatched intelligence for problem solving. We have a genuine empathy for our clients that makes them feel both understood and protected. And lastly, we're fierce advocates that make us both feared and respected.
We take each case sort of on its own, and just like a fine brewery turns out a very fine local beer, or a fine baker turns out a very fine artisan product, I think we give a lot of individual attention and care to each of our cases, whether it's a physical issue, an emotional or psychological problem. When a new case comes into the office, we choose a team of people that we think will best be able to work with that particular person and who have the knowledge and background to best advance that person's needs and serve their interests.
Employment law, I think, is very important. Almost everyone has a job, had a job, or wants to have a job. So employment law and the laws that protect employees affect everyone in the country. At McDonald Hogan Bayless, there's 5 of us that practice plaintiff's employment law. Between the 5 of us, we've got over 70 years of experience.
One of the hallmarks of the employment law section here is that we have people that have a real touch, a real finesse of resolving problems before having to go to court. Sometimes the situation can't be resolved, and in that case, there's really no better people to have in your corner than the MHB lawyers who work in our employment law section.
Taking on hard cases, winning hard cases, and taking on the difficult issues, that's what we do, and that's what we've been doing for 60 years. We've been changing law, and we've been making history.
The great thing about MHB is we're smart, scrappy, dedicated lawyers. And I think the founding partners, Ken, Fran, and Alec, would be very proud of where we are today.